How to sign in AWS account. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in your AWS account. So first, go ahead and open aws.amazon.com, and then in here, click on the sign in to console button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. And that will take you into the sign in page of AWS. So in this section, you have the option to sign in to your AWS account as a root user or as a IAM user. So as a root user, you're the account owner that performs tasks requiring unrestricted access, and as an IAM user, you're the user within an account that performs daily tasks. And here, select the type of user that you are and then enter your email and password and then click on the sign in button. So you need to verify your email first. So head over into your Google Mail into a new tab and then copy the verification code sent by AWS and then head back to AWS and paste the code and click on verify and continue. Now, if you haven't set up your account on AWS yet, that will take you into this section. So in here, click on the plan that you want to use for your AWS account, and then after that, you need to go ahead and enter more information about you, such as your full name, country code, country or region, address, city, state, postal code, and then check the I have agreed to the terms and condition before clicking on this agree and continue button to proceed with the next steps. So in here, you need to enter your billing information, and then once you have set up your billing information, you can go ahead and get redirected into your AWS dashboard console account. And that is how you can basically sign into your AWS account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.